What's up guys? I've got a really fun video for you guys today. One of my properties that I purchased a couple months ago, I recently just finished doing some renovation work on, furnishing it and listing it on Airbnb. So I'm really excited to launch this property. And this is a property that I built a geodesic dome in the backyard of. So really cool and fun project. And I actually had the chance to go buy that property, stay there for a little bit. And I did take the time to shoot a video tour of the property. So I'm gonna actually give you a tour of the property in this video. So without further ado, let's jump over to me at the property, showing you around so you can get a checkout of the latest Airbnb. All right, here we are. So this is our most recent Airbnb. Wanted to give you guys a tour around inside here. So let's start upstairs and make our way through the property. So this is our dining area. One of my big pet peeves, this Airbnb accommodates up to 10 people. It sleeps up to 10 people. And one of my big pet peeves is when there's not enough actual living space for the number of people that it sleeps. So what we did is we've got like a bench here that goes with this dining set. So this dining table can easily sit up to 10 people. We've got the extra chair there. We've got a breakfast bar here with 3 people to eat at the kitchen. So you can comfortably have everyone in the kitchen eating all at once, which is really nice. Here is the kitchen. We're still getting the side panels put on beside the dishwasher there, so that's not quite done. But here is the kitchen. We just redid it. And yeah, it looks really good after the reno, I think. We also just like got rid of the uppers up here. I tend to do that on a lot of properties like this because I just find it looks a lot nicer and cleaner. Again, we've got like 10 and 12 of everything so that, you know, guests aren't going to be lacking different stuff. And then the living room, which I think turned out really nice. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the living space upstairs. I think that it turned out really nicely. I think we did a really good job with the furnishing and decoration on this property. Here is a shameless plug for Airbnb for Dummies on the living room table. And then we've got our smart TV so people can hook up to Netflix, and in our photos, we have like the Netflix logo displayed on the TV there so people can see that. We've got some board games because this is a really good listing for like families and friends. So we want to put some board games for people to hang out and have some board games, some firewood for the wood burning fireplace. Yeah, now let's make our way into some of the bedrooms, and there's all kinds of goodies. Actually, I'll give you a sneak peek. This is the property with a dome in the backyard. So I'll go and actually walk you guys out into the backyard and show you that in a minute. We've got some more goodies in the basement. This is just a bathroom, pretty straightforward. It's actually really nice. It's got like heated floors in here. Not a renovation that I did, renovation the previous owner did. And then here is one of the bedrooms upstairs. It's got a queen bed on the bottom and single bed on top. What I like about that is that if you have a couple, they can comfortably come in here and have a queen bed and they're not on singles. But if you have kids, they can have the bunk bed, things like that. So it's just a lot more versatile, I find. And then in here, you've got just a nice queen bed, view out into the backyard. So it's just beautiful views into nature, you know, every one of these bedrooms. This bedroom is probably my favorite. I actually really like the other bed as well, but like this one just, to me, looks the nicest. And yeah, done up really nice. And then it looks out into the front yard, which again is just more beautiful nature. And then spinning around here. So that is the upstairs. Now let's make our way downstairs, and we've got a few different goodies in the basement for guests. And so on your way down here, you'll see we've got like an umbrella here. We've got bocce ball, barbecue set, spike ball, life jackets. We've also got some stand-up paddle boards for guests to use. We've got cornhole. We've just got a bunch of different stuff for them to have fun with. And here we've got like a locked crawl space. That's where we just store some extra stuff. And then we've got another bedroom in the basement, same thing. Twin XL over queen bunk beds down here. And then we've got another bathroom down here as well. This is where the laundry is as well. So it's a bit tight, but everything fits in there really nicely. Got the stand-up shower, so you can make full use of that. And then in here is one of the coolest spots in the house, I think. This is our movie room. So you can see we've got the projector, we've got the sound bar. I was just watching The Office last night down here hanging out. It's pretty sweet. It projects on this whole wall, so it's just massive, and the sound system is really good. And the nice thing is, this is the middle of the day right now, so even before we've even put blinds on, like curtains or blinds on this window here, it's still dark enough that you can easily enjoy a movie down here in the middle of the day even. So that's pretty great. And then in here, we've got our Pac-Man machine. We've got our ping pong table. So just a lot of fun for guests to be able to come down here and hang out, enjoy the space, watch a movie. So I think that's a really cool spot. I was really excited about that. This is one last thing. We're just gonna kind of wall this off as well. This is just storage right now. We're just gonna wall that off. And then those weird extension cords are for heating coils for the roof, just so that the ice doesn't build up in the winter. So we just clean that up a little bit, put a basket there to hold the cord. And then let's just go ahead and I'm gonna pause you guys while I get my shoes on, and we'll go check out the backyard. Guys, just want to take a quick break here to say that for those of you watching who want to build cash flow and long-term wealth by purchasing Airbnbs and short-term rental properties, there's a link in the description right down below for a free training that'll walk you through my exact strategy for investing successfully in Airbnbs. Now, if you're not ready to actually buy properties and you want to get started managing other people's properties on Airbnb, the same way I got started, and build a full-time income managing other people's properties, there's actually another free training linked in the description down below as well that'll be a really great fit for you. So whether you want to invest in short-term rental properties and actually build amazing cash flow and long-term wealth by acquiring the assets, buying the properties themselves, or you're looking to earn a full-time income managing other people's properties on Airbnb, we've got some awesome trainings that are linked in the description down below that'll definitely help you out. When you sign up for the trainings, we're also going to send you a few other tools and resources completely for free just to help you get started. Again, the links to sign up are in the description down below, and both trainings and all the tools are completely free. So make sure to register for the trainings, links in the description down below. Here we are. All right, so this is the backyard. Yeah, honestly, this is probably my favorite part of the whole property itself is the backyard. I just think it's so cool, especially with the geodesic dome. We're gonna get to that as well. I'm gonna give you a tour around inside so you can actually check it out. Here we've got this pad that we've got for the hot tub. We've got a bit of lighting, and then we've got the sauna as well. So this is an electric sauna, 8-person, so you can have between this and the hot tub, which is for 6 people, you can have everyone in the group all sauning, hot tubbing all at the same time. So pretty nice. A nice big 6-person hot tub. And then look at this, isn't that just beautiful? Just a beautiful backyard in the fall right now. All the leaves are changing. You can see we're right out in the forest. So it's just so beautiful. I was out furnishing the dome yesterday, and this dome, it was actually raining and wind was blowing. So all the leaves were falling down, and it was just like so beautiful back here. And then, yeah, this is our fire pit. So you can see we just got like tons of yard space here. Hang out with everyone around the fire. We've got like Muskoka chairs for everyone, so everyone can all hang out together. And then coming up here, we've got some nice steps up to the geodesic dome. Before I show you guys inside, I just want to show you where it's actually set. Like, this is so cool. So the cool thing is that this property, we actually own the land that goes all the way back into there for like basically double the lot that we're actually built on. It goes way back there. So you can actually just go hiking out in there and just kind of walk around. It's just so beautiful, especially right now. And the cool thing is this part of the dome is fully transparent. You'll see once you get inside. So you can see right out into this. And this is literally the view that you wake up to when you wake up in the dome. So this is pretty cool. This is our all-season setup for the dome. Hype Domes is the company that made this dome. In case you're wondering, and they're actually they're prototyping right now a door that's going to be like a whole unit that comes out here. So there's like a little vestibule. So they're going to give us that, and we're going to have that here once it's ready. And then they're also prototyping in-floor radiant heating. What's up, guys? So we're gonna have in-floor radiant heating in here as well, which is pretty cool. And the whole thing is mirrored too, so I just find it gives it this like really cool look, as opposed to, I don't really love the white ones where it just gets dirty and grimy. Anyway, I'm sure you guys are itching to see inside here, so let's go ahead. I'm just gonna pop my shoes off once I step inside here. and then I'll show you around. So to start with, we've got air conditioner that vents outside, so that's pretty nice. We've got a little space heater, so you really can stay in here any time of the year. Let me just zip that back up. We've got a couple rechargeable flashlights, and then boom. That's what I mean, like that's the view that you wake up to. Now let me get around here so you can actually see the bed as well. So we've got a queen size bed in here, fits really nicely in here too. We've got bedside lamps, we've got a bunch of blankets. So I don't want to mess this bed up, but if I just kind of sit here, like this is literally the view that you wake up to in the morning, right? Just imagine. And even when it's raining, it's so cool in here. In the winter time, it's gonna be beautiful back there. It's just gonna be snow covered. In the summertime, it looks good. Like it's just such a cool experience. And this is really getting into like experiential hosting. And I really like that because that's kind of what Airbnb is all about, is about actually the experience of it. And not just like staying in a hotel basically, or something similar to a hotel. So now I've kind of messed up these pillows, but yeah, this is my favorite part. This is my favorite part for sure of the whole place. I said it was the backyard. Really, it's this dome. It's so cool. Yeah, I just love it. Let me know what you guys think. I want to know what you guys think of the furnishing, of like everything, of the whole place in general. Let me know what you think of this dome. Would you want to stay here? Yeah, this is something I'm really proud of. So let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Again, here, just one last look of this amazing dome. Yeah. So again, yeah, thanks so much for checking this video out. If you're new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you like this video as well. Make sure that you drop me some comments. Let me know your thoughts. And if you want to learn more about how to invest successfully in short-term rentals like this one, build something cool like this for yourself, then make sure that you click the link in the description down below to sign up for our free training to learn more. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of your day. See you in the next one.